Guys, welcome back to my channel, Douglas C. So today is a little bit of a long video, but that's okay. So we have some things to cover. So I have kinetic sand today with me. Ooh, wasn't that so satisfying? Here, let me replay it. Guys, welcome back to my video. Today we will be playing with some kinetic sand. Whoa, wasn't that so satisfying, guys? Whoa, that was actually so satisfying. Well, time to put a damper on it. I'm sorry, little guy. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry, guy. I'm really sorry, buddy. Well, I'm gonna just rewind this again. Okay. So today I will be Wasn't that so satisfying, guys? We have these knives. Don't worry, they're fake. I would never use the real ones. Okay. Ooh. This is super satisfying, isn't it? Ooh. Whoa, guys, this is so satisfying, isn't it? Okay, so I'm going to put this back. So I want to show you guys some of the differences. So you know how kinetic sand is like this? And it's really, really easy to like mold and stuff. And it's so easy to cut. So I will be showing you guys the differences between regular kinetic sand and kinetic slime, which actually the kinetic slime, I just mixed kinetic sand plus slime together. So that's how I did it. So today in my video, I will be showing you guys. Hi guys, so back to what I was saying. So you know how regular kinetic sand is, it just like falls. This one's a little bit harder, but it has great texture. It acts just like a slime, just not really. So I'm gonna go to Florida next year. I'm gonna grab a sample of sand. I'm gonna bring it over and I'm gonna try it in one of my slimes to see if it makes kinetic sand just in a different way. So let's just see. So let's just take a little chunk out of this. So take that chunk and then we're gonna grab this and then we're gonna grab this little piece and we're gonna make this. Okay? Okay, so we have this little chunk for our little thing. Maybe I should take more off of this just cause like that's a bigger portion than this one is. Okay, so we're gonna put that, actually we're gonna take a look. Okay. That just got all over my face. So that one just droops down. This one does not. This one you can play with, but you can't stretch it. This one you can stretch and play with. This one acts just like real slime, just kinetic sand slime. Let's see how easy it is to cut. So you see how this is like so easy to cut? Let's see how easy this one is. Okay. See how it was harder to cut than that one? This one only took, let's say, 10 seconds. Not even. And it's super satisfying to cut, and it's super easy to cut. You can like cut it like little pieces and stuff like that. So we have this. And we have this slime, which it was actually super hard to cut. But one thing that it can do is you can make like little stretchy things with the knife. Is you just roll it around the knife. Don't worry, these are not real knives, these are fake. So these are like one of those toy knives that you guys use for like food, for like fake food and stuff. Like little kids, for like little kids. And so this one is very stretchy. It is very quality, very good quality. And just, it's harder to cut than naturally. So let's just try a little bit of a sharper knife. Don't worry, this is fake. See how fast that one cut. Let's see how this one does. Okay, this one is just the exact same. We're gonna try a sharper knife that you actually use for kinetic sand. And it's like to make like cool shapes out of it. Let's see how it does with this. Okay, so it definitely was a little bit harder than usual. So we're gonna just slide. Okay. So let's just do this. Okay, so we're gonna stretch this out. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. Oh no, 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 no. No, 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 no. I did not want this to happen. This is going downhill. Okay, please don't turn in the slime. Oh, you didn't. Oh, thank you. Okay. We have this slime. So those are the differences between these two slimes. Hope you guys really like this video. And, yeah. Okay. And so we just have the kinetic sand that we're just going to put away. Because we can. A little scary. Okay. Let's get going. Hi guys. So today we have like this watery slime. It's water slime actually. It actually looks so cool on right here. It's a little bit sticky than I thought it would be, but water slime is a little bit sticky because it's supposed to like maneuver what water slime is. So this is basically just like slime, just dipped in water, I think. It just turns out like this. This one has a little I can't say anything right today. Okay, let's try again. A dinosaur. Okay, a dinosaur, not a dinosaur or anything like that. Just a dinosaur. Okay, so this water slime is actually really, really cool. I really like it. Just one problem is that it's very small and it's like really hard to see on camera. So like it's kind of hard to see what I'm doing with this slime now. But as you guys can see, I'm like kind of like playing with it and stuff. Here, let me turn on light to see if that makes it any better. Did it help? Oh yeah, that helped a lot. Okay. So we have this slime, which is water. It's a water slime. Oh my gosh, I had something on me. And so we just gotta collect all the juice from it and take all of the body of the water slime. And one thing with water slime is that since it's like water and stuff like that, it doesn't really get like This one is like super sticky. It like sticks all over you. So this is why I don't usually play with water slime. It just gets everywhere, and I don't know why I'm mixing it into my hands. Just make it worse. Okay. I can't touch anything except for slime. Ooh. Oh, yes. Yes. Thank you, bro. You really, really helped me. Yeah. You really helped me. Oh, I'm a bad singer. I sound like a dying cat. Hey, don't disrespect cats. Okay. A big shout out for all of you who subscribed. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace.